Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to find and delete duplicate files on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So on your Android, what you're going to do is you have to look for your files folder here. Here on your Android file folder, you should see the folder icon below, and what you're going to do is you have to click or tap that one. In order for you to find and delete duplicate files, you have to click this clean up right here. You have to tap on clean up, and then you should see this options. And what you're going to do is you have to click this duplicate files. So if you have duplicate files right here, then basically you can see the clean up button. You can tap on the clean up button and duplicate files, because basically it can just add storage to your Android phone. So in order for you to delete that, just tap on the clean up. But unfortunately I don't have duplicate files right here, but if I have, then I should tap on this clean up and I can remove duplicate files right here. And that's how easy it is to find and delete duplicate files on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.